2 chicken bones. She's reading him and her dad.
I'm dead serious. Okay, I was gonna say fracked. Mom's Belgravy. And they're down there at the Belgravy Institute.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Look delicious.
Yeah.
Tell that to any of the gays in the 80s.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, whatever.
Just like I.
Can we stand? I don't understand you.
Classic 8th grade. Tearing me in half. In there. Okay. Until somebody came up and flashed me. We cannot give that person a pussy. Like, that is what straight people jerk off to. Like, is this glow? Now that I like. Okay.
Like from Grindr?
No.
Idaho.
Jesus Christ.
Before, you said that you wanted to move back home.
Fame is the prison.
And I'll go, oh.
No, of course I'm kidding.
Oh. What? She thought so. I started doing TikTok dances in the corner.
Yes.
Okay. but that's meet you.
That was her first one.